Litika.
Hey friends! Today, we're going to learn directions using our colorful toys. This arrow shows that we need to go right. Right, 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 right. This arrow means up, up, up. This arrow tells us to go down, down, down. And this one tells us to go left, 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 left. Uh-oh, Luna's here. Let's see where she's going today. First, she wants to go to school. In which direction is the school? On the left. After finishing her lesson, Luna wants to play in the park. The park is here. To get there, Luna has to go right and then up. Now she is at the park. After playing a lot with toys, Luna is hungry. Let's take her to the restaurant to eat something. The restaurant is here. First, she has to go down. And now she can go right to enter the restaurant. Luna is now full and tired from all the playing at the park. Let's help her go back home. First, we're going left. And now we're going down. Yay! Bye, Luna! Now Luna can rest. Let's see. What are these squares telling us? I can see colors here. And here are arrows that show the direction. Got it. First, we need to take a blue arrow. Here's one. We need to point it up. Then a red one. Where should the red one point? To the right. Good job. We need another blue arrow. We need to put it pointing down. And finally, we need a green one. But where should the green one point? Correct! To the left. Great! Now let's switch things up a bit. Here we have some hungry animals that we need to feed. And up here is the food. The rabbit is first. What does the rabbit eat? Yes, the rabbit eats carrots. How should the rabbit move to get the carrot? He needs to go up, where the food is, and find the carrot. Here is a banana, but rabbits don't like them. Let's go right. There's cheese here. The rabbit doesn't eat cheese either. Let's walk a little further to the right. We found the carrot. Does the rabbit want the carrot? Yes! Awesome! The rabbit got the carrot. Now let's find the bear's food. Let's go back up. Here's some cheese for you, Bear.
Cheese? Nah, I'm not a cheese fan. I'm craving something sweet. Can you help me find something sweet and tasty?
Let's head left and see what we can find. Oh, look, there's a banana. It looks delicious. But wait, the banana belongs to the monkey. Let's try something else. Right here, there's a fish. Is the fish sweet? Nope. Let's keep going right.
Oh, there's honey. Honey is for me.
We've got 3 more animals to meet. Let's introduce the cat. Cat, let's go upstairs to the food. The rabbit ate the carrot. Let's look to the left. What do we see? Cheese. But the cat wants fish. Let's look to the right. Maybe we'll find a fish for the cat. Here's a fish. Does the cat want the fish? Yes, he does. He loves fish. Well, bon appetit, cat. Now, let's meet the monkey. Climb up, monkey. There's not much left. The cat took the fish, and there's no honey because the bear ate it. Let's look to the left. Maybe we'll find something for the monkey. There's only cheese and a banana left. Monkey, your choice. What do you want to eat? Banana? Banana it is. Bon appetit, monkey. We only have cheese left for the mouse. How does the mouse get to the cheese? It has to go up and then go left. Oh, there it is. The mouse found the cheese. Now all the animals are full and happy. Let's see what colors this other square is showing us. Green. We take a green arrow. Blue. Red. And then blue. All right, let's put the arrows in the directions that the red arrows are showing us here. We have to point the green arrow up. We have to point the blue arrow to the right. The red arrow goes down. And we point the other blue arrow to the left. Perfect. Luna is visiting the city, but I think she's lost. Let's see what she does.
I'm visiting the city and I want to go to the museum, but I can't find it. Maybe I should ask someone for help. Here's a passerby. I'll ask him. Excuse me, can you tell me where the museum is?
Howdy! Yes, of course. You have to go straight, and then you'll see a bank. When you see it, you have to go down, then turn right, and you'll find it.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.
Oh, I see the bank now. Did he tell me to go right or left? I don't remember. What should I do now? Shall I ask someone? Hey there! Can you help me find the museum?
Sure thing. Just turn right here and you'll spot it.
Thanks a bunch. Right. Got it. Oh, there it is. I finally found it.
Wow, Luna! Good job! Now, what colors do we need? Blue, orange, yellow, and green. All right, here's the deal. The blue one goes up. The orange one goes to the right. The yellow one goes down. And the green one goes to the left. Let's play a game. Our car is the red one on the left lane, and we are visiting Luna. Her home is to the left. We are on the road with other cars, and there is a traffic light. Both lanes have the red light, so the cars can't move yet. However, the left lane has a green light, but only for those cars that want to turn left. Which way is Luna's home? Exactly! Her house is to the left. We have a green light to turn left, so we should turn left. Good job! In the last row, we need to place the arrows this way. First, a green one pointing up. Now a red one, which will be pointing right. Then a blue one, pointing down. And an orange one, pointing left. Now the table is all set. Let's repeat the directions we just learned. Up, right, down, and left. Once more. Up, down, left, and right. You guys are awesome! Thanks for joining me! Next time, we'll learn something new! Bye!